Hello everyone, welcome to Diebold. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates, and all the links will be in the description. So do apply for these jobs. So first hiring is conducted with the AutoRabit. They are hiring as software engineering as an intern, as a Java. A location which they are hiring is Hyderabad, and internship to full-time opportunity will be there. And college students also apply for the job. So here you can see the job description. So final year students who have recently graduated in computer science or IT, they can apply for the job. Full time will be there for 6 months, and if you perform well in the internship, then you will get the offer for PPO as well. So you should have the basic knowledge of Java, Spring Framework, Spring Boot will be preferred. Have the knowledge of React.js and modern front-end development concept. Understanding of version control systems such as Git. Have strong problem solving skills and analytical skills. Have good understanding of the software development fundamentals like OOPS, data structure. So these kind of skills and qualifications are required. So if you have, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the PwC, and they're hiring as specialist. Off campus will be there, and who can apply for the job? MBA graduates can be apply for the job for 2026 batch. Last date for the application is 16th May 2026, and the job type will be consulting. The CTC you will get around 30k, and who have done the MBA, they can also apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Diebold Nixdorf, and they're hiring as associate service desk representative. Freshers can be applied for the job. Any graduate from computer science background, they can also apply for the job, and it will be kind of walk-in drive between 22 and 24 April 2026. So this is the timing from 2 to 5 p.m. So they can go during this time. So this is the venue. It's in Hyderabad. So if you stay near Hyderabad, they can attend this drive. Next hiring is conducted at the Helix, and they're hiring as associate solution engineer, and the location in which they're hiring is Bangalore. And here you can see the job description. So a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or IT, they can also apply for the job. 1+ years of experience in technical or customer facing role. Have the knowledge of AI, ML and generative AI. Have the knowledge of large language models and retrieval augmented generation. Automation frameworks, APIs and workflow. Have the knowledge of cloud fundamentals such as SaaS, microservices, containerization. Have strong technical aptitude and eagerness to learn quick in a dynamic environment. Have excellent communication skills, presentational skills and interpersonal skills. So if you have, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Hawkins, and they're hiring as management trainee. So during training you will get this 5 to 12 LPA, and on confirmation you will get 7 to 14 LPA, and they're hiring for internships as well as for the jobs. So they're hiring for in sales and marketing, technical and R&D, human resource and admin, as accounts or audit, IT or system. So this kind of applications or this kind of jobs is there. So according to your skills and qualifications, you can apply for the job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.